Have you ever found yourself navigating the world of cryptocurrency only to feel like you're trying to read a stock ticker with a blindfold on? Do you look at complex trading charts and think, there has to be a better way to make informed decisions and execute trades with precision? Well, you're not alone. Many crypto enthusiasts, from beginners taking their first steps to seasoned traders looking for an edge, often feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of data and the speed at which the market moves. Traditional crypto interfaces can feel clunky, offering limited tools and basic order types. You might find yourself missing out on opportunities, struggling to understand market depth, or feeling like you're constantly a step behind. This is where a powerful platform like Gemini ActiveTrader comes into play. It's designed to transform your trading experience, offering a comprehensive suite of tools, advanced order types, and a more intuitive interface to help you navigate the volatile crypto markets with confidence. So, if you're ready to graduate from basic crypto buying and selling to a more sophisticated and strategic approach, then you're in the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to dive deep into the Gemini ActiveTrader platform, exploring everything you need to know to leverage its full potential. We'll break down its features, walk through practical examples, and show you how to move from simply observing the market to actively participating in it with greater control and insight. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to use Gemini ActiveTrader like a pro, making smarter trading decisions and executing your strategies with precision. Let's begin by understanding what Gemini ActiveTrader actually is and why it stands out from the standard Gemini interface. Gemini ActiveTrader is Gemini's professional-grade trading platform, engineered for users who demand more granular control, deeper market insights, and a wider array of trading tools. Think of it as upgrading from a compact car to a high-performance sports car. Both get you to your destination, but one offers a significantly more refined and powerful experience. While the standard Gemini interface is fantastic for straightforward spot buys and sells, ActiveTrader unlocks advanced charting capabilities, a more detailed order book, expanded trading pairs, and sophisticated order types that allow for more nuanced trading strategies. It's ideal for day traders, swing traders, or anyone who wants to take their crypto trading seriously. Now, let's get you set up. Accessing Gemini ActiveTrader is remarkably simple if you already have a Gemini account. Once you're logged into your Gemini account on the web, you'll typically find a toggle or a link that directs you to the ActiveTrader interface. It's usually clearly labeled and just a click away. If you don't have a Gemini account yet, the first step is to sign up and complete the verification process. Gemini is known for its strong regulatory compliance and robust security measures, which might involve a slightly longer onboarding process compared to some less regulated exchanges, but it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Once your account is verified and funded, you're ready to unleash the power of ActiveTrader. Upon entering the ActiveTrader platform, the first thing you'll notice is a significant difference in the layout compared to the basic Gemini interface. The ActiveTrader screen is designed for efficiency and information density. On the left side, you'll typically find the order book, displaying real-time buy and sell orders, giving you a clear picture of market depth and liquidity. To the right, you'll have your charting tools, powered by TradingView, offering a vast array of technical indicators, drawing tools, and customizable timeframes. Below that, or perhaps on a separate panel, you'll see your order entry form, where you'll define your trades. And finally, your open orders, order history, and trade history will usually be displayed in dedicated sections, allowing you to monitor your activity. Don't be intimidated by the initial density. Each section serves a crucial purpose in informing your trading decisions. Let's dive into the core of trading on ActiveTrader, placing orders. ActiveTrader goes beyond the simple market and limit orders found on basic platforms, offering more sophisticated options for precise execution. First, let's cover the basics. A market order is the simplest. You want to buy or sell a cryptocurrency immediately at the best available price. On ActiveTrader, you'll select your trading pair, for example, BTC/USD, then choose Market from the Order Type drop-down. Enter the quantity of crypto you want to buy or sell, or the total amount of fiat currency you want to spend or receive. Click Buy or Sell, confirm the details, and your order will execute almost instantly, filling against the current bids or offers in the order book. While convenient for quick execution, remember that market orders don't guarantee a specific price, especially in volatile markets, meaning you might experience slippage where your execution price is slightly different from what you expected. Next up is the limit order. This is where you gain control over your entry or exit price. With a limit order, you specify the maximum price you're willing to pay for a buy order, or the minimum price you're willing to accept for a sell order. If you want to buy Bitcoin at $60,000 when it's currently trading at $60,500, you'd place a limit buy order at $60,000. Your order will only be filled if the market price reaches $60,000 or lower. Conversely, for a sell limit order, if you own Bitcoin and want to sell it at $61,000 when it's at $60,500, you'd set a limit sell order at $61,000. Your order will only execute if the price hits $61,000 or higher. Limit orders are crucial for managing risk and securing your desired price. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.